Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info, and I'm going to show you how to change the car input to 4 amperes, to 6 amperes, or to 8 amperes. To do that, you should download and install EcoFlow application. If you don't know how to do that, just watch our video about it. Find here your River 2 Pro and click on the settings icon on the right top corner of the screen. Here you will see the car input, and you can change car input mode between 4 amperes, 6 amperes, and 8 amperes. Here we have our car input, as you can see, and cool. Don't forget to enable DC button when you want to charge something from this board. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you!